Now we have some big news coming here. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya is currently holding a key meeting on children's vaccination that is to begin from tomorrow. Remember, registrations has begun on the CoWIN portal. The health ministers meet with state health ministers. Will also cover Omicron case surge in India. Here's the big development. Milan Sharma joining us live for more on that. Milan, Union Minister Mansukh Mandaviya currently holding a key meet on vaccination for children as it gears up to be rolled out tomorrow. Take us through what's the plan and the strategy that they wish to adopt.
Well, Nabila, it's going to be a very crucial day tomorrow because for the first time in the country, children between the ages of 15 to 18 are going to get vaccinated for COVID-19, especially in the light of growing number of cases in the country at the moment. With Delhi, Mumbai and other major states as well reporting a surge, it's very important that these children get vaccinated. They are unprotected at this point of time. The government, therefore, is holding a meeting, especially Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya, with all the states and union territories health ministers trying to assess what is the preparation going to be like for the D-Day on 3rd of January. And earlier also the government had issued specific guidelines on how children vaccination should be done, because right now we were using vaccinating officers who were administering doses to adults. Perhaps children may have some sort of vaccine hesitancy when it comes to taking a shot and a needle. So therefore the vaccinating officers need to be trained properly to make sure that children are comfortable enough to take the vaccine. States and UTs had been told to create designated vaccine centers for children. As far as areas like Delhi and Noida are concerned, many schools will be operational for this very facility. My colleague there showed you how private hospitals will be vaccinating children. There, children will have to pay money and take the vaccine. But remember, government schools as well as government hospitals that have been listed out for vaccination will provide this vaccine for free. So Covaxin will be given to children for free in these centers, and it's very important that children understand that they need to book slots. But even those families who cannot book slots can arrive at these centers and take the vaccine, and this process will start from 10 a.m. tomorrow onwards. So very importantly, state health ministers there deliberating on what kind of measures need to be put in place to make sure sustained vaccination happens for 15 to 18 years of age children, and also on 10 January when adults will begin taking a third precautionary dose.
Milan, thank you very much for joining us with those details.